My organization has done so many litigations courtesy of the COP.
I've seen progress in terms of engagement at that COP. One of them is leveraging of resources.
Makueni COP covers the entire Makueni County, whereby we have so far membership of 100 members. The history of Makueni Community of Practice goes back to 2023. KCDF really came to Makueni, mobilized government institutions, mobilized local, national and international partners working in Makueni, and they saw the idea of community of practice.
When KCDF came, actually we were now shifting from the civil society to the community of practice. Aim being that the civil society actually is more of demos than the governance issues.
In as much as we were working with Makueni Civil Society Network, who is part of our founders, we felt that when the COP was born, that we could work together so that we reach more people. So that was a big opportunity for us as Paget.
In many of the counties, if I can use the example of Makueni, Nairobi, Kwale, Kisumu, is that there existed formations in those counties that we ordinarily in Kenya call civil society organization networks that are based in counties. But there was a need for us to penetrate gatekeeping, ensure that we are working within the CSO networks, but at the same time, we are cultivating a new culture of collaboration. And so it is those actions that have evolved out of the interventions that we work with that we are calling a community of practice.
In Makueni, we have 30 wards, so we visited the 30 wards. We mobilized grassroots groups, and when we saw the ideas, there are those who expressed interest, so we onboarded them. We signed an MOU, whereby they agreed to be part of the COP.
Since the coming of the KCDF, I am the most beneficiary on the matters concerning the KCDF when they came and incorporated us under the COP, because my organization has done so many litigations courtesy of the COP, which came through the KCDF.
The convener, that is Makueni Network, came around and introduced Makueni COP to our group, and we got interested, where we signed an MOU with the organization because we wanted to learn from other organizations.
The people who came up with the idea that we are supposed to include these people in this COP, they had the idea that there is inclusion that we are supposed to meet, inclusion of persons with disabilities.
After becoming the members of Community of Practice, we have been able to interact with them and get many logistics in terms of explaining our ideas to the relevant authority and participate in the public participation to give our ideas and progress of the group.
In February this year, there were a notice by the county government whereby there were elections for community development committees. In every ward, we ensured that we supported at least between 25 and 30 members.
Through the empowerment of the communities of practice, I managed to be elected as Ngu Masumba Persons with Disability Representative in the Community Development Committee at ward level. That is an achievement that if it were not for the COP, I could not maybe have achieved that one.
The Giving for Change program, which is implemented in Kenya and 8 other countries, aims to catalyze societal change by ensuring that the place of giving is elevated.
My organization has done so many litigations and we have been able to achieve for the last 1 year so many petitions, submissions on the matters concerning public agenda on good governance.
Previously, we didn't have the forum to engage with our stakeholders, the county government, but through Community of Practice, we have been able to do that.
For quite long, sometimes people have not been included. For example, in the public participation agenda. Now, the fact that we have shown interest and we are pushing for our inclusion, now the county government has seen it valuable for us to be part of that. They really facilitate the movement and reimbursement for persons with disabilities during the public participations.
It has sponsored me in the media to talk about the issues of persons with disability, and from that talk, the county government has seen the point of carrying an assessment, and the persons with disability have been assessed and they are getting their certificates.
The COP actually has been awarded another duty to Pigane na Ufisadi program to the Makueni Youth Network through the CAS, the TISA, and the TI. And I think that one is a plus to our shining in the county.
Being a champion of good governance from Kalama Ward, I sit in the Committee of Development, which is chaired by the ward administrator, and we discuss on the matters for that particular ward. Others will do so in their particular wards. Once we do that, we will be able to disseminate the same communication to our platform, and then the chairman will call us. We come here through the COP, we sit it down, and we disseminate.
Most of us are in the decision-making tables of the county government. Through Kwash, we have been able to champion for increase of budgets in terms of waste management, that is solid and liquid, so that more resources are pumped into this space.
We have been capacity builded on issues around budget, which has helped us escalate and focus in the ward. And this has basically seen an increased number of persons participating in public participation initiatives. And basically that has completely changed how things are done within our ward.
The opportunity is to ensure that as KCDF, as the development actors, we change with the times. We ensure that we do a facilitative role. Ensure that we are exposing groups to learning, exchanges, sharing, and sometimes also ensuring that we bring in the safety component.
We are trying to sensitize, educate the community that in waste you can get money and you can get an income. How? We are running a program on waste segregation at household level, where we are focusing 10 villages, 10 estates in Watertown, and we are giving out waste segregation receptacles at household level, where we are trying to educate people whether you're supposed to segregate waste at household level. How? You segregate plastic waste alone because you can recycle plastic waste.
Projects that we have started, number one, our main activity is apiculture. That is the aspect of beekeeping. And the aspect of beekeeping is the modern beekeeping. We have another main activity of poultry. The other activity, which is also very important, is the gala goats for dairy purposes. We keep them so that we can get milk to improve our diet and increase our nutritive values. The impact is huge. I have seen multiplication in terms of poultry farming. If we started with 10 birds per farmer, now we are able to reach at least 20 to 30 birds in a span of 2 years.
We are very appreciative for the opportunity that we have had in investing in the COP because of the strides that we have made in terms of advocacy and also in terms of ensuring that policies are citizen-driven.
It has made us to stand at a platform whereby we are able to request for more help from the county government, the national government, and other stakeholders.
Thank you so much for standing with us. We cannot take that for granted. With your assistance, we have been able to reach spaces where we would not reach before.